Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in this video we're going to look at how you activate your account in Contribute Cloud. So you've already gone ahead and you've created yourself an account, you're able to try it for 15 days without having to activate it. But after that period of time you're going to see the message which shows the number of days that you've got left. So here on my account I've got 3 days left. You're going to need to activate that account. It's a really quick and simple process. So as the message says, you're going to click here. So I'm going to click on the top there, and this takes me to my profile page. And if I scroll down, we have a license section. So the license section, I'm going to enter the serial number of my TouchIT product. So in this case, it's a TouchIT Repeat LED. So if you've got a TouchIT Repeat LED, on the white sticker, which you'll find on the side of the unit, there are two numbers. The larger typeface is the product number, which is not what you want, and the smaller number, the smaller typeface, is the serial number, and that's the one that you're going to want to enter into the box there. Once you've entered it, click go and you'll activate that account. Now if you've liked this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can watch the next video in the series by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.